She watched from the window, and what she saw made her stomach turn. The king of Israel, robes flying, leaping and spinning in the street like a madman. Not quietly, not with dignity, wildly. Michal, daughter of Saul, watched her husband David dance before the ark of God, and she despised him for it. When he came home, she let him have it. "How glorious the king looked today," she said, her voice dripping with contempt. David didn't flinch. He told her this was worship, that he would go even lower if God called for it. And then the story goes quiet, terribly quiet. Michal never had children, not one. The woman who guarded her dignity above everything else ended up with nothing. No joy, no legacy, no presence. Here's what makes this story so sharp. She wasn't wrong about what she saw. She was wrong about what it meant. She called his abandon embarrassing. God called it beautiful. Pride dressed as dignity doesn't protect you from God. It just keeps you outside the room.